Here's how to set your IP address in Windows. Go to Start, then in Control Panel, choose the Network and Internet Connections. Then here choose the Network Connections. Then select your local area connection, then right-click, Properties. Scroll down, then the last part, the Internet Protocol, Properties. Then select use the following IP address. Then here you can type your IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. It will automatically set the DNS server, then just type in your DNS server, then press OK. The other way is if you're in my computer, here in other places, just select my network places, then view network connections. That's the other way to set your IP address in your local area.